Meet Bumble Towels, the ultimate solution for your kitchen cleanup. Made from 100% premium ring-spun cotton, these towels are designed for maximum absorbency, making spills disappear in seconds. Think of them as a perfect blend of softness and strength, just like a cloud and a sponge combined. Unlike paper towels that create waste, Bumble Towels are reusable and eco-friendly, helping you save money while protecting the planet. Each set includes 3 unique textures: flat, terry, and an extra surprise, ensuring you have the right towel for every task. The sleek gray design adds a modern touch, making them both stylish and functional. Convenience is key. Each towel comes with a built-in hanging loop, so no more searching for misplaced towels. Plus, we've included a bonus tote bag, perfect for shopping or storage. Machine washable and long-lasting, these towels get softer over time, providing luxury with every use. Just wash them separately to keep your clothes lint-free. Whether you're a home cook, a professional chef, or just someone who wants an efficient and stylish kitchen, Bumble Towels are a must-have. Elevate your kitchen experience today. Find the product link in the description.